Hey, what's going on, guys? So we have here a 2006 Volkswagen Passat. So the problem of this car, crank but won't start. So I decided to remove the. So here the engine is low compression. So I decided to remove the valve cover. I checked the compression already on each cylinder. So nothing I can get in that pressure. So it's always zero. So I decided to remove the valve cover. Then somebody crank it for me. This one the problem. This one, the camshaft here is this one's only turning, but this one is not. So the problem here, I think the time engine here on the cam follower is broken. So so I'm gonna talk to customer first. You wanna do the cam follower here. I think this is non-interference engine, so I think if you're gonna repair on this side, you can I think you can fix the problem. And I notice here timing belt is pretty new. I think they changed the timing belt, and the cam follower here is the problem. It's broken and it went out the timing chain. I'm not really sure what's happening here, so 100% sure this is the problem here, the cam follower. So that's everything, guys, and I hope this video is helpful. And if I gonna do this one, I'm gonna take a video, but it's up to customer. If not, it's okay.